We are on the way to Vegas for our first leg of our trip. Here we go. We've boarded our flight. Oh, gotta get there. Ooh, the tarmac there. Dun, 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 dun. It just came into focus. We're ready to go. We've arrived at the Vegas airport for our layover. Here's how you know you're in Vegas. And another big Mackenzie, tell them what's up. We're gonna go gamble in the Vegas airport.
That's what we're really here for, is just for the layover.
We just checked in. We have officially arrived at Craftcation 2025. We're excited. Excited to be here. Day one, fit check. Ready. We kind of coordinate. We're gonna go on a little walk around the Craftcation upper floor here. I'm gonna show you what everything looks like.
Hi, welcome to Craftcation, everybody.
Okay, this is check-in. The pop-up shop is over there. Lots of cute stuff. Sponsor booths around Mackenzie's first experience at Craftcation. People are already starting to make things. They've got places where workshops are going to be happening later. I got my little bag. Hold on. Here, hold this for a second. Okay.
Oh, no. Hi, Nick. There we go.
Hi, Nick. I got my little bag. It's got lots of goodies in it. We will do an unbagging later. The theme is Craft Royale, and it shows. We love all the craftiness. Super cute. Look at the stickers. Got all the sewing machines. If you need a favorite drink recipe. I love this idea so much. Are you gonna do it, Mackenzie? You're gonna be the first one. Oh yeah, they are like glue sticks. You're gonna be the first one to color it. Mackenzie did the first green mark. Nobody else has colored yet. Now we're gonna go walk through the pop-up shop, see what there is over here. Cool earrings. These are really cool. Love. Oh my gosh, the Pop-Tarts. This is really cool. They have DIY headbands and hat station. This is Amazon handmade. And they also have this little make and take station right here that's really cute. This is a fun little found object woven tapestry, so people can like add to it. Okay, it is day one of Craftcation, and we just got our little check-in bag. So we're gonna go through it and see what we got. Let's check it out. First, they are doing this Craftcation photo scavenger hunt. I thought this was really cool. It's to be entered for a giveaway. You have to find 20 items. Like take a walk on the Ventura Pier, send your future self a message in a bottle with pirate ship. We're gonna be doing some fun little crafty tasks. This is just the little Craftcation like guide. All the different presenters. Let's find me. There's me! It's a bag within a bag. Bagception. Okay, we've got some yarn. Oh my goodness. These are little iron-ons. They say, hello, I'm crafty. Ooh, some snacks. Lesser Evil popcorn. Ooh, booze-free craft cocktail. A little stencil. Cool, a stencil tool. Oh, this is nice. A little mini cutting tool set. So it has like a little mini rotary cutter, a mini slicer, and little mini scissors. Can I take these off? I think the fire alarm is going off.
I'm not getting up.
Is this real? Wait a minute. That was the fire alarm. We were in the middle of evacuating and then it turned off, so we came back. Guys, I was in the middle of showing you these little mini tools, and my question is, can I take this on a plane to go home? Okay, ooh, a sheet of Avery labels. Oh. Okay, Okay, this is Pipstick. My kids love them. They're a sticker company. Hold on, let's open it up and see what we got. I love them. Okay, their stickers are always so cute. Themed. Like, look, here's a little like slumber party deodorant. What are they trying to say? A massive glue stick, a corkscrew, a highlighter, some like wooden colored pencils. Oh my gosh. Chengdu Crunch, a complex nut-free condiment, paper glue, and ultra tabs. A selfie ring light. It's a needle minder. It's a little poker chip like magnet. A little notebook from Amazon Handmade, and look at the sprayed edge. Oh, kids non-toxic glue. There's still more in here. Dazzle Tack, a cute little pen with like a stylus on the end. And last but not least, stickers. Here is everything from the tote bag all laid out together. So yeah, they really stuffed it full. Mackenzie's first In-N-Out experience. Are you excited?
So excited.
Okay, what's the verdict?
It's good.
And digital marketing in general is supposed to do big numbers. Okay, we got done teaching for today. I taught first thing this morning. Now I am getting to attend classes, which I am so excited about. I'm about to take a sewing class to learn a little bit more about sewing. We're gonna do a zipper bag. I'll show you all along the way. And then after that, I get to do a kimono. Perfect. Got the beginning piece done.
Lining up those middle notches.
We finished our bags! Yay! Okay.
Alright, let me talk to her.
Checking in on the woven tapestry. Progress is being made.
Alright, and
Do I look ready?
yeah, very.
I'm in a
Oh, but there's okay, that actually
one piece, just the front piece.
Listen, it's scary.
Two pieces.
Just like a little snip.
Oh.
Yeah. That's so weird. Where's the, how do you put the foot down? What? Finished sewing my very first kimono. I'm pretty proud. Wearing my kimono. Wearing my kimono for day 3. We are checking in. We're about to film a podcast interview, so stay tuned for that. It's going to be amazing. And then later, I'm going to sew a dog collar. Hopefully. Because that is a huge need in our world, right? That people need to stop and see the little bits. made it to the end of Friday, day 3.
Day 3.
Day 3, day 7.
They're all running together.
We're headed back to our rooms. We just watched Iron Craft, which is basically like Iron Chef, but for crafting. A rapid fire, make a craft out of these secret ingredients in 5 minutes or less. We did not participate, but we did watch. It was really cool. It looks like they're having a lot of fun. We did peace out a little bit early because we are ready to go lay down. So we will check in with you guys tomorrow, which will be the last full day of Craftcation. I'm getting a little sunset.
That's when you're reading for.
This is the view from our room. Hello! It is Saturday. It is kind of the middle-ish of the day. We just ate lunch and I'm gonna teach a class on making repeat patterns in Procreate here in just about an hour. This morning, Mackenzie and I both sewed. We made these jumper dresses. We did not finish. Okay, so here is the progress on the dress I made. It doesn't even have holes yet. It's the front straps here. There's little straps. We finished doing the bias tape here, and then we're just gonna cut through the front so it can tie together. Then we also stopped by the charm bracelet booth and made little charm bracelets. Mackenzie made hers an anklet. I'm gonna teach, and then after that, Saturday is pretty much done. Tonight is trivia and the fashion show. Here's a little update on the tapestry that everyone's been working on. It's coming together. I especially love this little octopus right here. So you want to do 3,000 by 3,000. I think the automatic TPI is 600. Is it for you?
Your stylist, or does that tell the I have some?
I do. It doesn't matter. Yeah. Under sketching is the 6B pencil. Kind of wild and crazy. Good morning from the final day of Craftcation. Mackenzie and I woke up early and came to the sewing lab so that we could finish our jumper dresses. Well, let me show you mine. I have not added a pocket yet. I'm still on the fence. Here she is. She's got her cute little tie front. I honestly never would have thought that I could sew something like this. I feel like I have learned so much this weekend about lots of different things, but really I've spent a lot of time in the sewing lab because that was my goal this weekend, was to learn some sewing skills, and I feel like I've definitely accomplished that. My kids are about to have all the new sewed clothes. Let me show you the sewing lab, and then also for the rest of today we have closing ceremonies, and then Mackenzie heads to the airport and I'm headed to Disneyland. Let's see yours. Oh, it's so cute! Mackenzie chose stars and I think it's really cute. And here's the sewing lab. I do have to say, Craftcation does a great job like stocking their classrooms. I mean, we have had no shortage of fabric to choose from this weekend. There are so many machines in this room and 2 other rooms just like this one with more machines in it, and all the tools and supplies you could ever want. I've really felt like it has helped me learn so much so quick because there's everything here you could need to learn with.
Did you do it? Who made something this week?
Craftcation is officially over. Now we are off to spend a few days at Disneyland. So bye Ventura and bye Craftcation 2025.